Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, I'm going into Fantastic Pin Company. It's located right here in Orlando, Florida, right off Route 535, not far at all from Disney World. Come on in, check it out. So it's so new, guys, there isn't even really a sign up yet. But it's right here in this plaza. It's like outlets. Like I said, if you put in the name, if you put in Fantastic Pin Company, Orlando, Florida, it'll pop up on your GPS. Looks like they have different events here as well. Pin trading events. It's been open only several weeks. Pin bingo. That's interesting. Black Friday sale. Let's go in together, guys. Open 7 days a week, 11 to 7. Here we go. Wow. Never been in here. First time ever in here. Looks really cool. Looks like this is where you can do some pin trading. Maybe some of their events. They got all kinds of stuff, Roberta. My first impression is it's clean in here and very organized. I'm going to be honest. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah,
like,
it's cool.
This is really nice. Just walking in the door and not even getting far inside. It's a nice business, man. So let's see. I know, obviously, they will probably do. You could come in here and probably do deals with them and trade things. Just kind of show you through a little bit, guys. So it looks like they do have Friday pin trading nights, 6 to 10. Bring your pins and celebrate with us Friday night, excluding holiday week. So that looks like it would be every Friday, so you can do trading. I think they do have some Loungefly. That's a Club 33 Loungefly. Sorry, there's a little reflection on the glass here. And maybe this side's a little better. Different pins. Just kind of show you. Glance through a little bit. And then in the back, looks like they have all these display of pins. We'll go back over there and take a look at that. There's a Stitch collection, 185. Oh, they have these, what are they, the Labubu? I forgot what they call these things. Oh my gosh, I don't know where else to look. There's so much in here, man. These little mini ears. These are cool. They're only like 12 bucks. 12 bucks. 10 bucks. Those are neat.
And then I had the cruise lines. He had all the cruise line pins pulled out. And I was like, how much are you going to give for the cruise line pins? He's like, 4. And I was like,
All kinds of stuff, man.
I was like, just for the cruise line. Art, I appreciate it.
Hey, it's Art the Clown. Look at that. 12 bucks.
What's up? And they gotta find a
Some Halloween here, yeah. Probably can switch this out for different holidays. Is that Pennywise back there, Roberta? I think so. There's Freddy Krueger. I'm just gonna keep rolling the camera a little bit here, guys. Bag of 5 unique trader pins, $15 each. So you get a whole bag, $15. This is pretty cool. So they have these boards. This one's $8. So all of these pins on this board are $8, and it goes, I'd say it's probably a good 9 feet up, at least. And here's my hand. And then it goes all the way down to the ground. And they have 3 of them. They have 8, and they have a 12, and they have a 15. And they really are advertising this Friday night pin trading night. So 6 to 10. It's pretty cool, Roberta. All just these different random pins. You can just pick them out. There's a Stitch Christmas right there.
They have a mystery box in there.
I'm trying to look. Looks like mostly Disney, but As you can see through, there's probably other ones mixed in there, Roberta. I'm seeing mostly just Disney though, right? Lots of Disney. Although, I mean, let's be honest, in this area, you're not far from Disney. There's going to be a lot of Disney pins. Universal does have pins though. These ones are a little bit more expensive. These are like collectible ones. They're like anywhere between 60 all the way up to this one up there. It's 200, 225. They also have these like, it's like these collectible, they're almost like suitcases, all for pins. It's like a pretty neat. And then they have these where you can put pins in. And then all these displays in the middle, but all just different kind of pins here. This is nice. Let me see this. Oh, so this is just solid, so you could just walk around, so you don't have to keep pulling them all out to look.
I was like, they don't know, like, hey,
and some Halloween ones.
Like, you're setting your kids up to failure. Hand them the plastic bag.
Found some Hard Rock pins. That one's 10 bucks.
Look at
12
Hard Rock
bucks.
Tampa. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, these are all like Hard Rock.
Yeah,
all of these.
That's so cool.
So yes, definitely have different ones. Look at this one.
That's cool.
Very cool. So guys, obviously there's so many pins I can't show every pin, but I am trying to just kind of randomly show you there are pins as cheap as $10 in here. Here's 30. And then you saw there was some for over $200. So I'm just, like I said, trying to show you different prices. So here, so all these down here looks like it's 25 each, or you could pick 5 of them for 115. Different ones here. There's some $40 ones. Like I said, guys, I know that it's difficult to show all of them, but just trying to show you as many as I can. Here's one that's 300. That's a Nightmare Before Christmas right there. 300, Oogie Boogie on that one. So again, just like the other side, these collectible cases. These ones are a little cheaper. The ones on the other side were 100, I think. These ones are 60. And then all across here, Roberta, come on, let's have a look here. Huh? Yeah. And then here they have not just pins, but different collectibles. Look at Stitch. Elvis Stitch, 550. I really like this Jack right here. He's 70. There's Jack and Sally for 70. What I like about Nightmare Before Christmas, it's good for Halloween and Christmas. That's what I like about Jack Skellington.
Well, look at the ones there.
Oh, and then there's like collectible, like they're framed up, so 200, and it comes with several different pins. That's a nice way to make a collection.
Yeah, I like that.
And there's a lot of those all along the upper area. And over here, guys, more like just little statues, art, pieces of art. One of my favorite all-time Disney movies is Pinocchio. You had Geppetto there, Pinocchio is Figaro back there. Look at that. Jiminy Cricket. Very nice. That's expensive. $2,250. Look at that Mickey USA, $700. Then he's got some Christmas stuff out.
That's pretty though. Very pretty. And very good conditions too.
Yeah, the stuff in here is not like beat up at all. Very cool. So I'm just kind of moving all along the store. Tons and tons more. I love the way they're displayed. They're displayed very nicely, clean and neat and nice. $250. Wow. More collectibles. Look up there, Roberta. Look at Goofy. Darth Vader Goofy. That Beauty and the Beast.
So I have like 2,500 pins. Some were good, some were true.
Nice.
Not, but like I just got tired of it. So they set a lot.
Look at Zootopia collection. 100. They have Hooters pins too. $10. All different Hooters pins. We did just ask the guy in here that's working, and they have no Universal pins at all. So it's pretty much all Disney.
I saw it last time I was here.
Oh, these we already showed the Hard Rock. Here's a case that has some that are a little bit more affordable, I guess you could say. Depends what you're looking for.
But they have
But
mystery
these
box
ones are
in the
like
front too. Did you see the mystery
15.
box?
15. No, I'll go show you that. I'm just trying to show as much as I can, guys. Oh, here's some more that are 12, 15 as we go down, 20, and then 25. There's Pinocchio right there. So here's some mystery boxes. And not sure, like, they look like they're like official pins. But yeah, there was this one mystery box here with Stitch 35. Berta, what'd you think?
It was cool.
Yeah, it
It's
was
not.
nice.
It's not really on a cheap side, but if you need, it's like a pin, a specific pin to finish your collection.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely a good option, you know. But of course, they have to make their money too.
Well,
So-
there were affordable pins.
There
They had
were,
the
yes.
that whole wall. I mean, if you just wanted to go in there and get a couple pins,
Yeah.
you could go in there with $30 and come out with, 3 or 4 pins.
But like the mystery box right now, they are selling right now at Disney. So
Yeah.
But it's a great option for you if you're coming here, and especially like I said, like if you're missing a pin or if you really like something like Stitch
They
or
have
something.
a lot of cool pins, man.
Cool pins that you don't find it anymore, and then it's cool. It's nice, it's clean,
Yeah.
it's open. I like it. It's definitely worth it to come and check it out.
Absolutely, and had a lot of other things besides
Yes.
pins. A lot of collectible things. So
Yes, beautiful.
I really enjoyed it in there. And,
Yeah.
and the guy that was working, he was busy like with people, but we did ask him like about Universal, and he said it's basically Disney. They really concentrate a lot on Disney. They did have Universal,
Yeah, I hope they do have more
but
Universal.
he
I would
said
love to come
either
here.
somebody bought them. There was like a whole bunch of Harry Potter ones,
Yeah.
but they're all gone. So, but it was
hopefully
cool.
they'll have more Disney, Universal.
I enjoyed it. I'm going to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. We do things all around Orlando.
Yeah.
We do cruising, we do Disney, we do Universal. But we also do little shops and stores like this as well.
Yeah.
So guys, once again, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. And last but not least, see ya!